Welcome to tutorialsinhand.com. In this video tutorial, we are going to see what is the default value of primitive variables in Java. Primitive variables generally means int, double, float, boolean, byte. If you see, there are wrapper classes also corresponding to each primitive type, like integer. This one is a wrapper class for this primitive type. So we are not talking about this wrapper class. We are talking about the primitive data types like int, double, float, not the capital letter one that you see. Both are different. Okay, so for now we are talking about what would be the default value, and default value means if we create any variable, something like this, int k, int double d, float f, and boolean is true, and so on, and don't assign it any value, then what will happen is compiler will assign them certain value from its own, and that value is referred to as default value in Java. Okay, so in general what happen is when we create any variable, we also assign it some value, something like this, right? K is equals to 10, double d is equals to 10.00d, and so on. So, and boolean is true and false, any value. But here what we are doing is we are not assigning them any value, and then we are trying to access those variables k, d, f of respective data type and trying to print these values over here in this method print value. So in this case the default values would get printed, and to do that we are going to create the object of this default demo int in tutorials in hand class. We have created object like this. First we will create the reference of default demo int, and the reference variable name is demo, and then we invoke the constructor using the new keyword, and when we invoke the constructor using the new keyword, then the object for default demo int is created, and once the object is created we can use this reference variable to call any variable or method of the class default demo int, provided it does not have restrictions like the variable or methods is not marked private, right? If it is marked as private, you cannot call it. For example, if you try to see this private int k, and now if you try to use demo dot, then you will see suggestions for all the method and the variables like b, which is created for byte, d, f is true, but you will not see the suggestion for k because k is private and you cannot call it, and if you forcefully write k you will get error, something like this. The field default int k is not visible. It's not visible because it is private to this class, and only this class can use it within itself. Anybody from outside like tutorials in hand class will not be able to use that particular variable because it is marked as private. But for now we are not checking those things. We are checking what would be the default value assigned. So using the reference variable we have called the method print value, and it happily gets called because this method is public and it is not private, right? So it is public, so we can call it, and once we call it, everything that is written within this method will get executed, and here we are simply printing the value of each primitive data type. So let's print the values and see. You get all the default values that are assigned to the respective data type over here. Int is assigned 0 as a default value, double is assigned 0.0 as default value, float is assigned 0.0 as default value, boolean is assigned false as default value, byte is assigned as 0 as default value, string you should note down over here, string is not a primitive data type, rather it is a class, but we have included this one also in this because you need to know the default value for object reference as well. So you should understand that string or any object reference has the default value as null, but make sure that you remember string is not a primitive data type. String is rather a class, and this is a object reference we are creating for string class, right? Other than this, all these are primitive data type. So here it is very simple to remember. If you see, you should keep in mind that int and byte both has the default value 0 as shown over here. Double and float has the same default value, which is 0.0 and 0.0. Boolean, which can have only two values, that is either true or false, it has the default value as false, and when we talk about any object they have the default value as null. And this is all you need to know when it comes to the default values in Java. So hope you have understood and enjoyed this video tutorial. Please like and subscribe our channel to help us motivate. Thank you.